Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Bartman. So first we're going to get started with the nose on the right hand side, and we're going to curve this line up, around, and then back through towards the left. Let's move up now and draw in the eye. So we're going to start on the top, and we're just going to draw in a curved line that arches down in the center. To the right of this, we're going to arch this line up and through towards the side. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up on a diagonal, bringing that over and out towards the side. Now from here, let's close off our eyes. So on the top, we're going to curve this around and down towards the nose. And then we're just going to finish off the circle. So we're going to start back on the left-hand side, curving this all the way around and then through towards our nose. And then as we come across on the right, we're just going to curve this line around and then back in on the side. Let's draw in the pupil. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle. We're going to do the same on the right. And then we're just going to color those in black. Let's continue to draw in the rest of the face. So on the top here, we're going to curve this around and in for the top of the eye. Now from here, we're going to curve this line up slightly towards the top. We're going to draw in a zigzag pattern for the top of his head. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in. We'll bring this back up and across. We're going to do that again. Let's continue this as we come over. Again from that corner. And again, moving over. We're going to do that 2 more times with our full triangles, and then we're going to curve this up and over for the side of the head. Now from here, from that point, let's curve this line down slightly on a diagonal towards the bottom, and let's draw in the ear underneath. So stepping over, we're going to curve this around and in, just drawing in basically the letter C. In the center, let's bring this line up and through, and then dropping down, let's arch this around and back through. Close off the mask. From the top of the nose here, we're going to arch this line down, following the pattern of our eye, and then bringing that up and over towards the ear on the left. Let's draw in the back of the head coming underneath, drawing in a small diagonal line coming through. And let's finish off the right-hand side. So we're going to draw in a straight line coming down. Let's close off the mask underneath. So we're going to curve that over. And now let's draw in the mouth. So we're going to curve this out, bringing this up on a diagonal and through towards the middle. Let's continue to close this off now. So starting back on this line, we're going to arch this around and down towards the bottom. Let's continue to bring this over now. So underneath, we're going to curve this up, around, and then back in. Let's close off the teeth. We're going to draw a diagonal line. We're going to step across, replicating that. We're going to come in towards the middle, drawing in another line, and then we're going to step over, doing that 2 more times, just leaving an even amount of space. Now let's come down right in the center. We're going to leave a gap, and we're going to draw in a circle. This is going to be the tie at the front for his cape. On both sides of this, we're going to curve this down and over. And then from that point, we're going to curve this back over and through towards the middle. Now from the center, for a small detailed line, we're going to curve that across. Let's step up. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw this curved diagonal line coming out, connecting that to the neck. We'll do the same on the right, curving that over towards the mouth, leaving a gap. And then we're going to close the neck off here with another diagonal line. On the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and in. Let's come over and draw in the left arm. So we're going to leave a gap, and we're going to curve this over and across for the shoulder. And then from here, we're going to arch this in and down. From that point, we're going to curve this back through. And then we're going to close off the front of the cape by arching that across towards that shoulder. Let's come up and draw in the thumb. So stepping over, we're going to curve this line down, up, and over. Starting back on this line, we're going to curve this around and down. And then from that corner, curving this over and out towards the middle. Let's draw on the first finger. From the dip here, we're going to curve this line up, down, and through. Let's start on that point again, curving this over, down, and in. And then again, we're just going to bring this line out, up slightly, and through. Let's close off the bottom of the hand. We're going to curve this line in, leaving a gap. And then we're going to close off the bottom of the arm, arching that over and through. Let's close off the back of the cape behind, curving this over and down. And now let's draw in our body. So for the torso, we're going to curve this in slightly. And then from that corner, we're going to curve this out. Moving in behind, we're going to arch that line across. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Let's draw in our right arm now. So for the shoulder, we're going to bring this line down, curving that slightly. From that corner, we're going to curve this over and in towards the side. Let's draw on the top of the arm. We're going to curve this line across. Underneath for the thumb, we're going to curve this round and then back up. For the pinky, we're going to come directly down, leaving a gap, curving this around and then back in, leaving a gap. And now let's close off the rest of the fingers. So in the center, we're going to arch this line over and through. And then stepping up again one more time, curving this around and down. And then to finish off the arm, I'm just going to bring that in towards the body. Let's come down and draw in the shorts. So right in the center, we're going to draw in a curved line. Let's draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides, leaving a gap. Let's curve this line down on the right. We're going to do the same thing, stepping in, curving this over and through on the left. Let's connect this together now. So we're going to curve this down on a diagonal towards the inside. We're going to do the same on the right. Let's come down now for the leg, curving this down, stepping up, replicating that. And then moving in, curving this down, stepping up, again, replicating that. Let's close off the shoe. We're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's come down from that corner. We're going to arch this over and then over on the inside. We're going to replicate that on the left-hand side. Now let's draw on the shoe. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line down on the right. We're going to step up, curving this down, ending that at the same height. Let's close this off on the bottom. We're going to draw on a curved line from left to right. Let's step up, finishing that off, curving that through. On the side, let's draw in a circle. And now let's draw in our left foot. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line down. Step over on the outside, arching that down towards the bottom. Now from here underneath, we're going to curve this line in. And then let's step up and we're going to again curve this line over and through towards the inside. And then from here, let's draw in a circle. Now let's finish off the cape. So on the right hand side, we're just going to draw in a small curved line that comes down. We're going to have it flow through to the back. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line down and out. From here, from that point, we're going to curve this line down and through towards our arm. Stepping underneath, we're going to curve this line up, down, and then back in towards the leg. And that is it. That's how you draw Bartman. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.